Hello, Sharon. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out to you on Friday and I told you that I was going to be sending you the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site a little bit, one of your top competitor sites a little bit, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and typically when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right here, I am on your home page, and I took a look through your site. I actually think it looks really good. You have a lot of good content on here. And so Google is going to be rating your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of the key factors is going to be content. And so you want at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page. And you actually have 1,816, so you're good on that. And it seems like you have really good educational content. Google's going to come through and they're going to deem whether or not the content on your site will help their users find the services or the information that they're looking for. But the one thing I would say is we definitely want to add some more keywords in here. We want to find good, relevant, high traffic keywords to get as many people coming to your site as we can. So over here on Google, the keyword I'll be using for this video today is mold remediation Tacoma WA. This gets in about a couple hundred searches per month. So even if you just snagged a few of these as customers, you'd be doing pretty well just off of one keyword. So right here at the top is where we're usually going to see our Google ads. There are none for this particular keyword showing right now, but Google ads are generally a really good way to get your name out there while you're waiting for your SEO to kick in. If you know what you're doing, but if you don't, you can actually lose a lot of money on them. But if you do, it's a really good way to get some brand recognition really quickly. And so right below that, here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so you have to be a top 3 contender to get on the front page of Google here at the top. And in order to do that, you need to have a lot of high-powered citations. And so a citation is just when you are listed on different directories along the web. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. You want to be on a lot of those high-powered, highly trusted, highly used directories. And you want to be on more of them than these guys are. And so down here are the organic search results. And so these are definitely the most important. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they search something, they end up clicking on one of these organic search results right here. And they're probably going to pick one at the top of the page. So this is the top one at the page other than Yelp, which doesn't really count because it is a directory. And so here, kind of go through this person's site. They hold the top spot for this keyword. They definitely do not have very much content. I did a word count on them too. They only have 647. So you're already beating them out with the amount of content you have, but they probably have a couple keywords in there. So the number one way though that you're going to get up here is through a thing called backlinks. And backlinks are basically just like a shout out from one website to another. So the internet is made up of websites linking websites and businesses linking businesses. So you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered, trusted, preferably local businesses in your area. So think like a trusted real estate agent or plumbing company or a construction company. If you could get a backlink from them, that would be really good for your website. And so if you ever try and do any of this on your own, this is ahrefs.com. I highly suggest it. It cost me around 400 bucks a month to use it, but it gives a lot of good information. And so I typed in clean green restoration right here. And so we can take a look. They have 181 backlinks from 53 different websites, and they're ranking for 319 keywords. So we can take a look at that. And so right here to the left, it lists all the keywords that they are ranking for. As you can see, there's multiple pages, how much traffic they get from that keyword, and also what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can kind of go through here and decide which keywords seem the most relevant, bring in the most traffic, have the most volume, and kind of decide which ones we want to use for your website. And so the same way we just look through the keywords, we can look through the backlinks as well. And so right here you can see they have 171 backlinks. This is actually an extraordinarily easy number to beat, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide. So we want to be able to beat all the competitors in all the areas you serve, all the keywords and all of the different for all of the different services that you provide. So it comes out to a lot, but this is a good example. So we can go through here and we want sites with a high domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. And we can go through here and kind of determine which ones we want to get for your site. And we want to get, a significant amount more than they have. So lastly, we'll just go through your site really quickly. So you guys have 96 backlinks right now from 23 different domains and are ranking for 4 keywords. And so you're going after pretty good keywords, but we can definitely go for more, and we definitely want to get more backlinks. That would be first priority. So to kind of recap what we talked about is number 1, we want more content with more relevant, high-powered keywords. Number 2, we want more citations to get you on that map pack. And then number 3, we want relevant, high-powered backlinks. And so that's basically what I have for you today. Hopefully you learned something from this and enjoyed it. If you are interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please reach out to me. You could email me back or you can give me a call. My number is going to be 714-975-5909. Thank you for watching.